What is the authentication system, and why do we need authentication system in first place? We'll discuss it with an example. We will use Instagram and discuss all these topics. First, we have to register ourselves as a user. Then we can use the credentials we created. What are credentials? It's mostly a username and password combination, or a email plus password combination. So once you have that combination with you, you can enter it in the Instagram website or the application, and then Instagram will let you in, and you can post stories or post images. Also, you can react to other people's stories and posts. So here I am in the Instagram's homepage, and I have two options here: one to create a new account, and another one to log in. So let's see what we have in create new account. When registering a user account, two things are very important. The first one is your email or your username that identifies you as a user. Then the password. What do I mean by identifying you? So if I try to add a username as Jan123, as you can see, it says the username Jan123 is not available. That means there exists a user with Jan123 as username. So when he tries to log in, it will show all the posts for Jan123 and all the posts he created or all the stories he created. If I log in, say I have a user account, it's called Harish123, and when I log in, I can see posts from my friends, stories from my friends, and it will show my post. I can edit my post. Will I be able to edit Jan's post? No, Instagram won't allow me to do it because Instagram somehow identifies it's Harish, and Harish can only edit Harish post, not Jan's post. How Instagram enforces all this, we will see to it. But here, what we have to understand is we are creating a unique identity for us, that is our username, and then there is password. So once you have the unique identity, anyone can try to log in, right? They can put Harish123. If they know my password, they can enter it and they can access my account, post something or delete something from my account. So to protect that from happening, we are creating a unique password here. So basically, Instagram maintains a list of all its users and their respective passwords. So enter our when we enter our username and password and try to log in, when we click on the login button, it checks this database whether the entered username password is present. Say if I enter Jan and password as password, now it will take these two combination and validate it against this database. Is there a user with username Jan, and is his password? In this case, what will happen? His password is password 1. So Instagram will tell us that username or password is incorrect. Please enter the correct one. How Instagram got this information? That is when we registered our user account. Say we entered our email and our password, confirmed our password, and also we have to enter our username. Then there will be a button to register the account. When you click it, it will add an entry here. So we also noticed it was showing a error message saying the username is already taken. So how it like understands that the username already exists. Say if I enter John, it will go and check this database. Is there a user with username John present? Yeah, there is a username with John. So it will say like the name is already taken. So you have to enter a new name. So if I enter 123, then it will check again. Is there a user with Jan123 as username? No. Then it will take the password. Say I'm entering password as XYZ. Then it will add a new entry here that a new user is registered. Jan123 is the username and XYZ is the password. So now I can use this credential to log in. I can Now I can enter Jan 123 and XYZ. Now Instagram will check this store, this database, and there is an entry with Jan 123 and there is an entry with XYZ. Then it will let me you like use the Instagram. It will show my post also. I can go through the stories, everything, and I can edit my post. Whatever I'm supposed to do, I can basically do as Jan at the rate one Jan 123.